Hi, my name is John Groves. I'm 72 years old. I consider myself an active outdoors person. And above all, I love to dance. That's one of the things I like to do. The pain in my knees slowly started creeping up on me. I was slowing down on doing the things I love to do. Now, since I've had both my knees replaced, I can do everything so much better, a lot more fun. I'm back to dancing as much as I want. Hiking, I can run now again. I can jog, I can jump, which is amazing, with no pain. See a knee specialist at the Core Institute. Don't let your hobbies, the fun things you do, sit on the shelf and get dusty. I feel I lost a good year of my time and fun by doing that. It was one of the best things I have ever done. I'm 100%, I'm complete.